Hi, Namaste everyone. Today we will see how we can unlock a mobile phone without touching the screen. So sometimes what happens is you won't be able to enter the pattern if it breaks. See, for example, let's say I had a similar kind of an issue. What happened is, so the screen was broke to the half, so I was able to, display was intact. I was not facing any issues with the display, but what happens is, if I try to draw a pattern, then it used to come to that break, that crack, until that crack, and then it used to fail. So I could not able to unlock it. So in that scenarios, actually it will be, so this hack will be very useful, this trick will be useful. We'll just see what is that trick. Okay, so now, so this is the pattern for this phone. Okay, I'm able to unlock it. Let's lock this phone and see how we can unlock by using OTG cable. So here what you are seeing is OTG cable. Here one side you can insert like a charger, you can insert one side, and another side female USB pin. So what you need to have is this OTG and also this mouse. Okay, so once you have this, then insert that mouse in the OTG. Okay, and then put that in the for the phone. Okay, so now you will see a pointer. I'm just rotating it. You will see a pointer. Hope you are observing that pointer. You can do whatever you wanted to do. You can do all the stuff. So now I'm just moving up the screen. So now the pattern, I am drawing my pattern. Now, yes, I'm able to unlock it. So you can do the scrolling. Yeah, you can click on anything, and you can at least save your data or restore your data by using this technique. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and get notified about all the videos. Thank you.